Here's how to replace a hot swappable hard drive in your PowerEdge Tower. This video shows a typical physical replacement. If it doesn't match your particular system, refer to your manual instead. You may also have to perform software configuration steps depending on your storage controller, configuration, and OS. First, unlock the security bezel by turning the key clockwise. Press the release button, then open and remove the bezel. Press the button on the drive carrier to release the latch, then pull to remove. Remove the screws. Then separate the drive and carrier. Fit the carrier onto your replacement drive and replace the screws. Slide the carrier back into your system and press the latch to lock it in place. Then replace and lock the security bezel. Thanks for watching.